MPP member and current director of communications for President Nana Akufo-Addo. His name na Eugene Arin. He don enter hot soup. For una wey know na married man, and all this while under their cupboard things dey happen wey the wife don even tire for am. So now the wife wan divorce am, all in the name of say the man dey beat am. No be say e just dey beat am o, e still dey cheat on top. So the woman now, she don tire. So now she don come outside, come file for divorce. In fact, my people, the wahala just plenty. And she dey even dey ask for compensation again. Meaning say they no go just divorce, everybody go no go just go on their own. She asked for 2 million Ghana cedis. Hi! No be only that one o, the list plenty, but relax. Na the matter wey I bring una today. Imagine, before this 2016 election, una know say the first time, the time wey Nana Akufo-Addo win, na the period wey they talk about. This 2016 election wey pass, this guy, abi this man, he been dey live, he no get him own house o. This him wife, her family house, they get boys quarter. Na there this guy dey live with the wife, as in the this thing just dey funny me. Make una just I dey give una genesis of this matter so that una go understand where I dey go. You understand? Boys quarters. From boys quarters now, even that period there, if you na see this man, he be like bonga fish. The man dry, the black con dirty, like everything just dey worry the man. If you see am, you yourself you go know. I will put this man picture, make you no be like say I just dey whine person. See am, just imagine person. Chai! 4 years later, Akufo-Addo come win election. Ngwanu, if una see list where this woman dey ask for this person wey una just watch now, the picture wey una just see, no, imagine the woman don bring list now. I dey sure say many of una go dey shocked. Say how this man go do this? Relax. Now the wife come agree, say okay, since the time when we marry, because according to the wife, 2 of them join money, build some things. Now wetin she talk will not be me. She say she also dey part of the properties where they get. Na so she talk. So now she don't bring her list. Say okay, as they divorce, listen, 16 flat. It be like say this woman 16 na her favorite number. 16 flat for wetin they call am, Bubuashi. 16 flat again for Weja. 16-story buildings for Teshi. House for Senya wetin. Abeg, no be my language. Another house for Labadi. Another house for Waterfront. That one dey for Ada. 5 cars. In fact, my people, if as they continue to dey list this thing, we no go live here. Then on top of all these things wey I just hear, 2 million Ghana cedis. Abeg, me myself, I never even recover from this shock where they shock me. 4 years. In 4 years, director of communication, no. I not to say president, I not to say minister, no. Let me say, if this man can be MP or minister, hey, let me say we for the smell pepper everywhere. The shocking part of all this matter now be say all the things where this woman list, the wife, now based on the things where she know, like, you understand, those things where she they are aware of, where she sabi okay that these things my husband get. Then imagine the things where she no even know say exist. Wahala we Bond Street. Wahala we Bond Street. These people they chop money. Corruption where dey this Ghana. My people, you don't dey ring alarm. You don't dey ring alarm. Are they very serious? And no matter the party where you belong to, because I beg, make una no stand, make una no support this kind of thing. I beg, we need fight am. We need fight this thing. This thing don't too much. Even if say una no hear list where I call Nana, no be one house, no be one 16. A man wey no even get one car before. Wey you go say, okay, start with this one. Before 2016, not even one car. I tell una before, e dey stay for boys' quarters. Married man, boys' quarter, in wife family house. Now, look at all the varieties of things. Abi, how much be this man's salary? Now dey understand some things. You understand? Now everything now don dey come my head small small. When wetin be this man name? Martin Amidu. When this man come outside, dey call President Nana Akufo-Addo serpent mother of corruption. I come dey wonder say, where this one dey come from? Where this? Nana dey see am. And he no lie. He no make mistake because e dey very obvious. Corruption now, under this president regime, President Nana, e don too much. Like, e don one person, all this property. If all this wealth belong to director of communication, hey, then imagine the boss himself. Then be say President Nana Akufo-Addo, he go own half of all the lands wey dey this country, Ghana. Now wow, we go just sit down like this. People go dey talk, there's no money in the system. There's no this, there's no that. See wetin one person wey no even dey higher level, see wetin he get. Assuming this divorce matter no come now, we no for even know. Now, so if we for dey follow them, they shout, there's no money in the system. There's no money. There is money. They have money. Then be say this thing when Nana Akufo-Addo just dey do, where they be like say, hey, they fight corruption, they fight corruption. No, they fight any corruption. You just they try destroy opposition. You understand? Because they protect those people where they work with them through this their corruption thing. They support them. They cover up for them. Many things they happen. Oh, hey, 2 million Ghana cedis. I beg, BNI, Biko, I bring this matter here because una dey involved. You understand? And una get work to do. Make una call this man, Mr. Eugene. Call him, question him, because we need to know how it happened, where it happened, and when. Because I just dey understand. See, many people don't dey inside this work for how many years. Some of them never even get half of wetin this man gets. So una need call him, question him. We need to find out. You understand? It is very, very important. Just 4 years. This man get. Then be say, wait, I dey try calculate something. Una no say they win again. So they still get another 4 years. My people, I'm not sure say I even need to complete this statement, but I go complete them. Now be say this next 4 years, like another 4 years now. Imagine say this one we ain't get it already. They make us faint, wake up faint. If we add this other 4 years, let me say this man, I know they talk of president, the director of communication himself. If we add these 4 years, let me say him go come own the whole of Accra. My people, wahala dey, I beg. BNI, they call una again second time. Question this man. May we know where people money they go. You understand? Because many people they suffer. We don't even know. We know they see the money. Now only some people just sit down on top money. Ibwa. I bet my wife. Thank you for exposing some things. You understand? Maybe you know plan am, but you don't help us because now we don't they see many things where they hide under carpet before. My people now the matter with this so I beg. I still want to wait till nothing concerning this matter now. I bring a call on a side. So drop her for the comment section. May we get this discussion one-on-one. And if you never subscribe, wait till they wait for. Subscribe. Click on that notification bell so that you don't go miss anything where we drop. Meanwhile, on to our next story.